I am excited to tell you about one of the most powerful tactics in persuasion that allows you to use integrity to increase the trust in your prospects. Many times, if you're thinking about how you're selling someone, the degree to which they will buy is directly correlated with how much they trust you. For example, if I said, "For every dollar you give me, you'll make 5 back," and someone truly believed that, then every single person would buy from me. There is no logical reason not to. This is the same reason that when you have a referral that gets on the phone with you, it's so easy to close them because the person who referred them has already imbued you with trust. They've already vouched for you, and the person comes in with sky-high trust, and you just need to get out of their way so they can make the purchase. When it comes to persuading someone to buy from you, trust is key. You need your prospects to believe in you and your product or service. One reason to build that trust is by being honest and transparent about the limitations or downsides of what you're offering. And that's where the damaging admission comes in. Here's how it works. Instead of trying to hide the negative aspects of your offering, you actually bring them to the forefront. You use the word "but" to pivot the conversation and acknowledge the drawbacks while also highlighting the benefits. You could say, "Our program is amazing. You'll lose 20 pounds in just 1 week." But that might sound too good to be true, and your prospect might be skeptical. Instead, try this. "Our program is intense and challenging. You'll need to commit to working out every day and follow a strict diet. But if you stick with it, you'll see amazing results. You'll lose 20 pounds in just 1 week." By acknowledging the challenges up front, you're actually building trust with your prospect. They'll appreciate your honesty and transparency, and they'll be more likely to believe your claim of losing 20 pounds in 1 week. The damaging admission technique is powerful because it allows you to build trust and credibility with your prospects. By being upfront about the challenges or downsides of your offering, you're showing that you're not just trying to make a quick sale, you actually care about their success and well-being. So next time you're trying to persuade someone, remember to use the word "but" to your advantage. Acknowledge the negatives, but emphasize the positives. You build trust and credibility with your prospects and increase your chances of making a sale. By starting with the negative, you can capture your audience's attention and then use the word "but" to amplify the positive outcome. Another similar word you can use is "because," which can also help direct your prospect's attention to what comes after the word. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions or comments, we would love to hear from you, so please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.